Hanap kayo ng murang training for Amazon na may internship, then this is your chance. This is the kind of training na mai-apply talaga ninyo kung ano yung matututunan ninyo on-voice at pwede ninyong pag-aralan from zero experience. O kahit never pa kayong nag-work online as a virtual assistant, then we might be able to help you out. Hi, my name is Mary and our team offers trainings na pasok sa panlasa kahit wala kang experience. For Amazon training na may actual na internship para mas maging familiar kayo sa flow, then this is your chance. We opened this last month and ang dami pong naghahanap ulit. Sana daw mag-open. So, eto na, bubuksan na namin ng maaga para may chance kayo na maka-enroll kaagad. Demand level 3 class ng Amazon. Next schedule natin is on March 18th and March 19th. So, yes, 2-day event siya. Ang schedule niya is from 8 a.m. till 12 noon. 4 hours yung class niya each day and may breaks naman in between. 59 pesos lang to. To enroll, you just have to click the link in my bio tapos i-click nyo lang Amazon level 3. Ganun din kung nakita nyo to sa Instagram, nakalink lang siya sa bio ko. At kung napanood nyo naman tong video na to sa Facebook, check nyo na lang yung caption. Live Zoom training siya at pagkatapos, after nung class, papasok kayo sa Google Classroom namin at doon namin ipopost yung detalye naman ng 2 weeks na internship ninyo. During internship, you guys will be divided into groups and you will be given tasks na ginagawa talaga ng isang Amazon virtual assistant. While our mentors are freelancers themselves at super busy din talaga yung araw namin, we try to accommodate everyone's questions as soon as we can. Live training ito via Zoom, so pwede kayo mag-ask ng questions real time. Para din sa mga nagtatanong kung meron ba tong one-on-one with me, yes po, magkakaroon kayo ng opportunity to book a one-on-one mock interview and AMA session with me. Kasi bukod dun sa training ninyo, kasama din kayo dun sa application book session natin where I will be teaching you kung ano yung ginagawa ko, kung paano mag-apply, kung paano gumawa ng resume, ng portfolio, ng cover letter, contracts, and all that stuff. Ito na hindi namin regular na ino-offer tong Amazon level 3 at by request lang siya. All classes are recorded, so meron kayong lifetime access para dun sa recording ng klase. We have a dedicated team of admins na pwede rin sumagot ng mga questions niyo in case na hindi available yung mga mentors. Inopen tong class na to, super bilis lang yung napuno. So, wag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Mag-enroll na kayo, ha? Sige, see you sa classroom. Bye!